Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and reorganizing my makeup desk. So I actually feel like this is super crowded and there's a lot going on, and you know what? I'm just horrible with organizing things. But in the future, I have plans on changing all of this. So as of right now, it is what it is, and this is as good as it's gonna get. But regardless, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Also, if you have any organizing tips, you're more than welcome to leave me some, because I have no clue what I am doing. Like I said, there's just a lot going on, and I don't even know what to do with half of it. So first I wanted to show y'all this gorgeous view from the window. It snowed here for 2 days and this is what it looks like now. And this is my messy makeup desk. Yes, it is covered in makeup and it looks crazy, and that's just how it normally looks. I can't help it. I get really messy when I'm doing my makeup. I take a lot of products out and I just usually leave them all over. I'm going to do my best to clean this up a little bit today. Got some drawers here that are just filled with stuff. First thing I'm going to do is make this little DIY cleaning spray. I'm filling up this cute little bottle I got from Target, and I'm going to put some lemon essential oil from Simply Earth in there. It actually acts as a really good cleaning product and a room spray, and it makes everything smell amazing. So first I'm just going to go through these cabinets here and wipe them out a little bit and just try to reorganize the best I can. So I like to just start by moving everything out of the way so I can just start working in small sections. Putting things back in their place after wiping the little shelves off. And here I keep all of my Mariah Carey MAC stuff and my Selena MAC stuff and some other MAC items. These are all my facial oils and lotions and serums and stuff like that. My brushes are so disorganized, and as you can see I have 3 different things to hold my brushes. I've got like my foundation brushes, blush and powder, bronzer brushes, and then all of my eyeshadow brushes in one little thingamajiggy. Just gonna wipe this down a little bit with my lemon spray, and then I'm gonna go in with a makeup wipe, because the makeup wipes really help to remove the makeup off of the desk. And trust me, I get makeup all over. I'm so messy. Clean off my mirror real good so I can see my flaws all nice and clear. Now I'm going to take everything off this top shelf up here. Wipe it down with my little lemon spray. Ooh, it smells so good. My baby's picture. I always like to keep it up there. Got some Candy Johnson palette, some Too Faced palette, my little scripture plaque, and my little award plaque from Octoly. I'm just going to reorganize my little drawers just a little bit, because usually once I use something I just kind of throw it back in there and dig for it when I need it, because that's just how I roll. But I'm going to try to make it look a little bit nicer, even though this probably won't last that long.
I just got these 3 highlighters in from my friends Laura and Brianna. They did a little giveaway on their Instagram and I won. And they are 2 Gerard Cosmetics highlighters and 1 highlighter from Becca in the color Opal. I'm going to link their Instagram down below so you guys can follow them because they are just so beautiful and so sweet and I love them so much. Now I'm going to work on this big drawer here. Now I'm going to fill my little Q-tip holder up here because I need Q-tips. I cannot live without them. Q-tips are bae. And there you have it. I did the best I could. And over here I have more makeup. I have a bunch of makeup palettes, e.l.f. palettes, all kinds of random makeup in here. More palettes from Deck of Scarlet, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Naked 2. There's my little Lady Luck purse my mom got me for Christmas. And I just keep a bunch of MAC makeup in here because I'm crazy. And there you have it. It's officially done. Doesn't look too much different than it did before, except it looks a little cleaner, but yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!